SIU's College of Mass Communication and Media Arts, we train our students to become expert storytellers in the world of media, whether those stories are fictional or factual. Our students learn about the world of film, journalism, radio, television, and more. You'll learn to not only master the technical skills needed, but also the theory, history, and impact these forms of storytelling have on society, ensuring adaptability as the world of media changes and advances. So let's get started showing you all that we have to offer. Our college has 3 main majors and departments, with several ways to specialize your skills in each industry. Those areas of study are cinema and photography, journalism, and radio, television, and digital media. In cinema and photography, you can specialize in areas like film production, screenwriting, documentary, and experimental filmmaking, to name a few. Students studying photography will practice digital and analog skills in areas of fine art or commercial photography. Both areas have committed student groups who continue their practice and training beyond the classroom, creating lifelong connections that have resulted in a solid alumni base in places like LA, Chicago, and Atlanta. In journalism, our college is training a new generation of multimedia journalists. You can focus on news, photojournalism, or advertising. Journalism is so much more than just conveying news to the public. Our photojournalism classes regularly work with towns in Southern Illinois and even globally, learning how to capture the essence of a story or moment in a snapshot. Interested in marketing, but looking to also flex your creative muscles? Check out what our advertising students are doing in the Saluki Ad Lab. We also offer options for getting your degree online. The radio, television, and digital media major covers a broad range of specialties in media, including animation, broadcast news, sports media, television, and audio production, where you can also learn about the music industry and connect with musicians and producers locally and in nearby Nashville.
WSIU Sports, I'm Logan Lee.
Students get professional level experience and credits while still in college, working for places like WSIU, our PBS and NPR affiliated station based right in our communications building. Or you can work with Saluki Athletics, streaming many of our home games on ESPN+, in what is considered the gold standard model for other schools and universities in the Missouri Valley Conference. In all areas of study, we emphasize hands-on learning, with access to state-of-the-art facilities and technology. We have several media-focused student organizations who continue their experiential learning outside of the classroom, many of which are already learning the business side of their art by working with clients both on and off campus. Groups like our Emmy-winning Alt News 2646,
Every one of them was involved in the show.
our nationally recognized student newspaper, The Daily Egyptian, student chapters of the National Association of Black Journalists and the American Advertising Federation, the Big Muddy Film Crew that produces the longest-running student film festival in the U.S., our live student newscast, River Region Evening Edition, which airs on WSIU, broadcasting out to more than 3 million people across 5 states. We can't forget our Living Learning Communities, or LLC, located on both West and East Campus, where students in our programs can choose to live, collaborate, and socialize with like-minded artists in the comfort of their own residence hall. All of these opportunities, along with internships, dedicated faculty bringing years of professional experience into the classroom, and guidance from SIU's Career Development Center, help us to prepare our students for lifelong careers in media. In a world where access to information is ever expanding, media makers are in high demand. Industries and people all over the world need artists to help tell their stories. You can be that artist. Want to learn more? Email us at mcma@siu.edu or find us on Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter at SIUC-MCMA.